Got new wheels on the driveway? Congratulations. But before you hit the road, there's one important thing you don't want to forget: your car insurance. Whether it's a brand new car, a classic ride, or a pre-owned gem, your car insurance is the key to keeping it protected. And with a new vehicle, it's time to update your insurance for full coverage. Your car insurance isn't just about meeting state requirements, it's about ensuring you're fully protected on the road. If you've got new wheels, that means new protection needs. Call the Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935. Their expert team specializes in helping you shop for the best insurance coverage that fits your needs. Whether you're upgrading to a new car or just need to make sure your insurance is up to date, Klinger Insurance Group makes it easy to find the right car insurance policy so you can drive with peace of mind. From liability to comprehensive and collision coverage, they'll make sure your new car is fully covered. With the right car insurance, you can focus on enjoying your new ride, knowing you're protected in case the unexpected happens. Updating your insurance is quick, easy, and crucial to keeping your investments safe. And with Klinger Insurance Group, you'll get more than just great rates. You'll get the full support you need to make sure your insurance is as reliable as your new car. Don't wait. Call Klinger Insurance Group at 301-428-4935 today. Protect your new wheels with the right car insurance coverage. New car, new insurance, new adventures. Call now and get the coverage you deserve. Klinger Insurance Group, your trusted partner for all your insurance shopping needs.